Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic ice maker's Countertop and the Aeitto Nugget ice maker. The Electactic is a budget-friendly option that produces bullet ice quickly, while the Aeitto offers a premium experience with soft, chewable nugget ice. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and performance to help you find the perfect ice maker for your home or office. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Electactic ice maker stands out as an extremely affordable option at just $89. This makes it accessible for those on a budget or looking for a secondary ice maker. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker is priced significantly higher at $469, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. If you're looking for value, the Electactic is the clear winner here, but if you want the best in ice quality, the Aeitto may justify the cost. Next, let's talk about ice production capacity. The Electactic ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, making it suitable for small gatherings or daily use. On the other hand, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker excels with a capacity of 40 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. If you need a steady supply of ice, the Aeitto clearly has the advantage in this category. Finally, let's compare the type of ice produced by each machine. The Electactic ice maker produces bullet ice, which is great for drinks but tends to melt faster. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is favored for its texture and ability to keep drinks colder longer. If you have a preference for chewable ice, the Aeitto is the better choice, while the Electactic is perfect for those who prefer traditional bullet ice. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Aeitto ice makers have their strengths. The Electactic is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for quick and portable ice solutions, while the Aeitto Nugget ice maker is perfect for those who prioritize ice quality and capacity. Consider your needs and preferences carefully before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.